Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain in data science phase 2 Numpy and Pandas libraries. In that we are going to see the mini project using uh, Titanic data. We are doing some analysis on Titanic data. So we are importing the libraries Numpy and Pandas. So here we are loading the data set. So this is the data set. We loaded the data set into a data frame. So here we have a passenger ID survived, whoever survived class based on the passengers, based on the priority, like the class and name, sex, age, and ticket, fare. All these columns are there. Cabin, in which cabin they are. Embark means where they need to onboard. So all these things mentioned here. So first we are doing data cleansing. Data cleansing means just we are checking for all the columns if there are any null values, like if how many null values. For age we have 177 columns, we have null values, like that column count it will show. So cabin and embark as well. So now what we are doing, so we are keeping in place, we need to remove those nulls. Instead of null we need to keep average for that null values. So then if you do this, then it will be all the null values will be replaced with the default values. Why we are here, we are keeping in place equal to true. I'll show you. Okay, so I created the data frame. Here null values, we have age 177, right? So here I am removing the in place equal to true and then running this. So if you run this, age will be still 177 because we are not mentioning the in place equal to true. In place equal to true, if you keep, it will automatically overwrite the data frame. Now it's not overwriting. So if you run this by placing in place equal to true, then everything will be 0. Here it's already dropped this column, that's why it is showing error. So see, that is the important of in place equal to true, why we are keeping. Okay, next coming to, like here we are exploring the data. If you keep it described, we will have the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum. This is the 50% of this count, maximum value for each column. All this calculations will be displayed. And survive, if you want to see for how many people have survived, for that value count we can see. 0 means not survived, 1 means survived. For this many counts, like how we are doing for male, these are the counts. For female passenger counts, 350, like that we can do based on the value count. So these and all the functions available in the libraries, Numpy libraries. So here we are checking female passenger, how many female passengers have survived. So first we are filtering the sex and then survived equal to 1. Then only we can check whoever the female passengers who are survived, those count. Like we can whatever, if a count you want, you can check the count, or you want their names, age, and whatever the columns you want to display, you can do like this. And then survival rate by class. So based on the class, there are 3 classes. So for first class, how many people have survived? Like if you keep some, it will give the count. Here we are checking the average mean. So by using the Numpy module, like we have imported, right? By using that, in that we have many functions. You can use those functions like maximum, minimum, like that. Here we are using like now summary report, overall how many passengers, how many have survived, and what is the average fare. So whatever you want you can check based on this is the column name. Based for that column name already we have done all this. I have showed you fare, this mean and all. So directly we can call that function and we can get the values. Thank you.